Do you want to make money online but don't know where to start in Afghanistan? This video will change everything. Welcome to ElevateX AFG, where we help you learn skills, grow online, and earn real income. This is why you need a plan, not luck. 3 practical paths to earn online in Afghanistan, starting today. No fluff. First, be real. Online income isn't instant, but it's achievable. Path 1. Freelancing. Offer simple services like graphic design, video editing, data entry. Use Fiverr or Upwork and build small wins. Path 2. Leverage AI, ChatGPT for writing, AI video tools to speed production. No heavy experience needed, just practice. Path 3. Content creation. Start YouTube, TikTok, use AI voice, faceless formats. Post consistently. Simple plan. Pick one skill, practice daily, start posting. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to ElevateX AFG and start your journey today. Your future starts now.